How to replace the thermal paste in a laptop. At the request of fans, today we're replacing the thermal paste on the Lenovo IdeaPad Pro 516, 2023. Let's reduce the CPU temperature by 7.1 degrees Celsius in 6 simple steps, easily improving your laptop's performance. Tutorials for replacing and upgrading thermal paste on laptops are available in the main tutorial collection on our homepage. You can also comment with your model if you need specific guidance. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Step 1. Get tools ready. Many tools are needed to replace the laptop's thermal paste. Apart from the thermal paste and thermal paste cleaning wipes, some gadgets can help you to disassemble the laptop much more easily. If you don't want to buy them separately, you can find our total solution combo in our profile. Step 2. Remove the laptop case and battery. Before you start disassembling the computer, it's highly recommended to wash your hands or wear gloves or an anti-static wristband to eliminate static electricity. Place the laptop with the back cover facing up. Use a T5 screwdriver to remove the 9 screws on the bottom cover in order. It is recommended to use a magnetic storage pad here to avoid confusing or losing the screws. Prepare a triangular pry tool and spudger. Insert the pry tool from the top of the chassis, pry up and down, then insert the spudger, and slide it along the perimeter to open the bottom cover more easily. After opening the bottom cover, use the pry bar to disconnect the power cable. Use the spudgers to push against both sides of the connector outward to disconnect it. After disconnecting the power, remember to press and hold the power button for 15 seconds to discharge. Step 3. Remove the heatsink and old thermal paste. Use a pry bar to unplug the power cable of the cooling fan. Use tweezers to peel off the protective sticker on the thermal module. Use a PH0 screwdriver to remove the 4 fixing screws on the cooling fan according to the diagonal principle. In diagonal order, remove the 3 fixing screws on the thermal module one by one. Use a high-quality screwdriver, such as the Kooling Monster Combo 01, and apply vertical pressure to prevent stripping the screws. Remove the cooling fan. Lift both sides of the heatsink with both hands and apply slow force to remove the heatsink. To clean the old thermal paste more efficiently, we recommend using Kooling Monster Clean 01 thermal paste cleaning wipes. If you're worried about getting your hands dirty, you can use the disposable gloves included in our kit. Here you can see, the thermal paste on the processor has dried up after years of use, reducing its cooling efficiency. It needs timely replacement. Make sure to clean off the remaining thermal paste from the cooling module. Step 4. Clean the fan. We use an anti-static brush and compressed air for cleaning. Use the anti-static brush to clean the dust on the fan blades and the thermal module. When using compressed air, remember to keep a small distance to avoid liquid spraying out. Using compressed air can clean details and significantly improve dust removal efficiency. After completing the above cleaning work, don't forget to clean the dust on the back cover. Step 5. Apply thermal paste. Here we used Kooling Monster Cold 01 High Performance Thermal Paste. Apply an appropriate amount of thermal paste on the surfaces of the CPU and GPU. After applying the thermal paste, you can use the spatula to evenly spread out the thermal paste and remove the excess. You can also use the pea-size method if you like. Step 6. Reassemble your laptop. Next, reassemble in reverse order. Gently place back the thermal module and the cooling fan. According to the diagonal principle, tighten the screws of the thermal module to 70% tightness one by one, then tighten them after all are locked to avoid excessive stress. Tighten the fixing screws of the cooling fan back, plug the fan cable back in, and reapply the protective sticker on the thermal module. Finally, plug the power cable back into the motherboard, press the power button to turn it on and verify it is normal. Close the laptop's back cover, snap the catches securely, and tighten all the screws on the back cover. Then you are done. Follow and subscribe to Kooling Monster and let us know which laptops to demo this process with next.